Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I am back with an announcement. Hey, I just want to let you guys know that I've just updated the profitable and professional trader institutional supply and demand zones. With these zones, these are simply areas of interest at where you want to take your day trades as well as dollar cost average for your long-term portfolio. Along with the zones is a whole list of instruments that you can day trade as well as long-term invest in and really just have a successful portfolio. Again, this is for the profitable and professional trader level, so make sure if you're interested, if you need some help finding these key areas for you to take your trades from, make sure you click on one of those levels. And we will be picking back up on the Sunday live Zoom session, so you guys make sure that you are on the lookout for that, and that is provided on the professional trader level. So if you guys are interested in mentorship and just being a part of an awesome trading community, then feel free to click on that join button. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me. As always, remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.